so we're unboxing this hair from Isee hair. Y'all, so this is how it comes packaged. It has a protector sheet. It's kind of like paper over it. And then the little Isee hair label. I just want to show you my nose too, but yeah. And it came in this bag, but I got a little hole. Like my box is a little ghetto. I don't know what happened here. But yeah, I'm gonna take the seal out and then I'm gonna come back when we end it. Okay, y'all, so I organized it, but I tried to set this shit up. They gave me some. They want me to earn with TikTok, I guess. I got this bag. Okay, let's see what's in there. Okay, y'all, so I opened it into. They must knew I got me a brand new bonnet. It's a big boy bonnet, like. Look at this bitch. Boy. It came with an edge brush. Ooh, I got another lace band. It came with a lace band. That's so fine. Came with lashes, 6 pairs. Period, because they want me to be taken care of. Ooh, I got an eye mask when I be sleepy about you hoes. Yeah, little princess they made. I got wig caps. Ooh, they gave me regular wig caps. Look at these. And they gave me HD wig caps. These are better. I probably use these. And I probably use them when I'm gonna 2 pieces. And then my wig. And we're gonna unbox it. Okay, y'all. So this is my wig. Yeah, look at that. It's got that already plugged, but it's a frontal wig. It's a frontal wig. It looks like it's a 13 by 6. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at the construction detail. Got a lot of room. Sorry, it's a dog. A little active dog. But look at the body. I got 20 inches, but I ain't gonna lie, it's a little longer than 20.
So y'all, this is me just getting ready for the Nada TV Dejavu premiere. Shout out to Juju for the hair, shout out to MK for the lashes, and shout out to Rainbow for the fit, because you know we shopping on a budget, period. Baddies on a budget, we love them. But yeah, just go ahead and tune in and see the more videos I got, and yeah, look at how cute I look, period.
In the booty club, dressing fly with a pocket full of ones. Niggas talking all that shit, bitch, you better have them funds. Let me see what you gon' do. Is you gonna throw some cash? Wanna touch and feel on me, baby? This ain't no free ass. Tonight we going up.